what is wrong with Toyin Abraham? Like, what is seriously wrong with Toyin Abraham? This thing just dey vex me. So yesterday was Nollywood actor Bukky Wright's movie premiere, the return of Omotara Johnson. And the likes of Toyin Abraham, so many Nollywood actors, actresses, they graced the event. Now, this is Toyin Abraham trying to greet this actress. I don't know if her name is Bukky Wright or something. I don't know, Sha. I'm not familiar with Yoruba movies. So, the way the woman treated her, walked out. Even Toyin Abraham was surprised, like shocked from her facial experience. You can actually tell that she was literally disappointed because I was greeting you and you literally walked out on me. Like, who does that? Hey. Even the one seated, the way she looked at her, and Toyin Abraham just stylishly looked at her and just walked away, you know. The one that walked away, Toyin Abraham stylishly looked at her and walked away. Biko, is it compulsory that you must be doing Enishero, Karo, Castle, Kaleo, good girl stuff, whatever? Because be yourself. We know it's your bad thing to greet, to show respect, to bow down, to do this, do that. Because reciprocate that disrespect with disrespect. Give it to them, boss. Anybody that disrespects you, disrespect the person back. If you don't want to disrespect the person back, give the person a long spoon because day your day, make a day my day, no be fights. This one is almost everybody is literally disrespecting her and she's comfortable with that. I don't understand. And if she knows that these people, she is not in good terms with them behind camera, because when the camera is facing you, still maintain the same energy. Not you coming to do hello, mommy, daddy, good morning, when the camera is facing you, knowing fully well that you and this person is not in good term, are not in good term rather. And when the person reacts, people will start talking and be like they are treating her bad. To me, I feel that's manipulation, gaslighting. If you don't talk to me behind the camera, if you see me, maintain the same energy. That's the kind of person I am. I'm not going to say come in and start pretending as if all is well when I literally know that all is not well. So if Toyin Abraham knows that she and these people are not in good term behind the camera, when she sees the camera, she should just keep that distance. She should keep the distance. All these unnecessary dramas, I don't understand. She not only am. Why are almost all of them against her? That's what I want to understand. Why? What is really happening in this Nollywood, in this Yoruba industry? Why? Like this is just they vex me, just they pain me. And she's a sweet soul. This woman, I don't know, but the way I see her as, you know, she's kinda that kind of actress that does not really want that much wahala. If you have our differences, our quarrels, our problems, let's just settle it, you know. But since I'm not close to her, I don't know her, I can't tell from a distance. Some people, they don't actually appear what they don't actually look it on the camera. Like if they're troublesome on the camera, they don't actually look it. If they get wahala baggages and all that, they don't actually look it on the camera. You know, they come up, you see them, they are that good girls, that vibe, you know. But I feel bad for her, honestly. I feel bad for her. And many people have been reacting. Many people have been commenting. Still the same thing. Toyin can't just leave people alone. Look at what this person said. Omolomo said, Toyin can't just leave people alone. Leave people alone. Go to your events. Do whatever you want to do. Go home and meet your husband. Face your children. Face your household. Don't come and be doing this camera, that. No. I must say, people should stop judging without watching full video. I am not judging her, but my own is, please and please, it's high time she left people alone. Do you go your house, shalaye, drink, dance, if you want to smoke, you smoke. If you want to do anything, you do. Just go your house. If they don't invite you, do not come. Any place you are not invited, do not go. That's my own. Because this industry is so bitter. This industry is so bitter. Nollywood, oh, Yoruba wood, oh, Hausa wood, oh, is so bitter. Especially this Yoruba wood. I'm not talking about only Yoruba wood. Nollywood self. Most of them don't like each other. They don't like each other. So maintain the same energy. Ha! Not only you. Why they know they do and reach Funke Akindele side now? Why they know they do and reach Funke Akindele side? There is one interview that Funke Akindele granted. I think this same Mutarayo that interviewed Toyin Abraham that caused lots of chaos on the internet also interviewed Funke Akindele. And I asked in that previous video, why didn't she threw that question at Funke Akindele? I mean, the fight that Funke and Toyin Abraham. Why didn't she ask Funke Akindele about that same question to see her reaction and what she will reply? Because you know, say that one no send you. Okay, listen to what Funke Akindele said. Then you know, say that one self. You don't feel disrespect her. You don't feel carry that one come her side at all. You don't feel triumph. You can't. You can't. If you disrespect yourself, people will disrespect you. If you respect yourself, people will respect you. That's what we call boundary. Boundary. Day your day, no be crime.
I'm going to talk about friendship for a moment because Funke comes across to us as somebody that is two extremes. You love hard. If you love somebody, Funke loves you to die. Like you can do anything. And as far as somebody annoys you, you can totally cut the person off like 100%. So what experiences in your life produce that Funke that we know that is both extremes, that doesn't take nonsense, but can love hard also?
Morayo, I must say, I'm not proud of that. And I'm proud of it. There must be a balance. And I thank God for someone like Uzi Usman in my life. There was a day Uzi sat me that I said, when I was complaining, I said, Uzi, she you see, say this one now. They go say, I don't start again. She you see, this one, see what he do. Number one, the thing where this boy doing no good. But number one, you be leader. You go to accept people as them be. No be every door you go to close, number one. You go just leave her, put her for a place.
Yeah.
And for the first time I sat down. I was quiet. I left my food. Uzi was eating his own food. Said, you know, go chop the chicken, I go chop him all. I said, then he saw my eyes gloomy. He said, what's wrong? You won't cry? I said, yes. I said, the thing where you talk not true. I go try to the manage.
Fantastic.
I'm an extremist. I love so hard. I'm real, Morayo. I'm like this. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not perfect.
Yeah.
I can be troublesome. Yes, I can be. I'm tough.
Yeah.
If I want you to do something, my mom was alive. She'll remind me, Funke, everybody's not as smart as you, are fast as you. Calm down.
Yes.
It's good, but calm down. So
Yeah.
human relationship for me is very important. And I'm learning every day.
Yeah.
But note, no matter what happens, my mental health
It's priority.
is very important. I know I'm getting older.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see, everything must have a balance. Everything must have a balance. If you ask Funke that question now, so I don't know what Toyin is. I don't know. This person said they don't have issues. You people read meaning to everything. They were together for Ajosepo. She was in Toyin's movie before that. You should rest. Then why the attitude? Why walking out? Like, why walking out on her? Or could it be she stood up for her to sit? I don't know. But, this is so bad. It's so bad, so sad, I beg. Kai, no. It is well. Bueno, bye.